Understanding Tax Hike, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for better understanding. Today, we're going to demystify the term tax hike. Whether you're watching the news, reading articles, or just having a conversation, this phrase often pops up. So, let's dive into what it means and how to use it. The term tax hike refers to an increase in taxes. The word hike here is used as a noun meaning a significant rise or increase. This could be an increase in income taxes, sales taxes, or any other form of tax. Governments usually implement a tax hike to raise additional revenue, often for specific purposes like improving infrastructure, healthcare, or education. When you hear tax hike, it's essential to understand the context. This phrase can carry different connotations depending on the situation. For instance, economic context. In economics, a tax hike might be discussed in terms of its impact on economic growth, inflation, or consumer spending. Political context. Politically, it could be a point of debate, with some parties or individuals supporting it and others opposing it. Social context. Socially, it might relate to issues of income inequality or public welfare. Now, let's see how to use tax hike in sentences. 1. The government announced a tax hike on luxury goods. 2. Many people are concerned about the proposed tax hike affecting middle-class families. 3. The debate over the tax hike has dominated recent political discussions. Notice how the phrase fits naturally into conversations about government policies, economics, and social issues. It's useful to know some synonyms and related terms. Some of these include tax increase, raise in taxes, revenue enhancement. Understanding these terms helps in comprehending similar discussions or texts. I hope this video clarifies what tax hike means and how you can use it in conversations or understand it in news and articles. Remember, language is all about context and nuances. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more terms and phrases. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.